I'm going to go pass you over to Steve. I'm going to go through what his plan is, what's he thinking he's doing, and why is it faffing about. I'll let you know what I've been doing, which is not a lot, as usual, isn't it, Steve?
That's right.
Oh look, concentration face.
Why
have you put that end panel on?
So things don't fall down the back.
There you go! It wasn't for me, it's for the boys and girls at home. I know why you've done it. Whether you can see that very well. Yep, you can. So it's now snowing. I don't know what's going on. It's all a bit like day after tomorrow. A bit weird. So I'm trying to get this. Well, one of the reasons why I've jumped onto doing the heating straight away is because I'm a moaning cold person. I whinge. Yeah, I know. I whinge, so I've jumped on with that, and I just now need them to crank the heat up. Yeah, I know we've got the doors open. I know. Global warming, all that. That's why we have weather like this. That is why people like me. Yo, good morning. Right, just this morning, obviously that's all it's going to take us. We are fitting the kitchen, so this is the job that it all went completely wrong. We've had to dig all the floor out, replaster the whole room, reboard it all. It's been a bit of a mammoth task, which is not planned for, but I'll put the links above here somewhere for obviously this room and this job and how it ended up being the way it is now. So that being said, if you are new to the channel, we generally put up videos 2 times a week now. Try and do it on a Monday and a Thursday. And if you haven't already subscribed, the link is in the corner, so make sure you turn the notifications on and you'll get a little notification every time I upload a video. So I'm going to go pass you over to Steve. I'm going to go through what his plan is, what's he thinking he's doing, and why is it faffing about.
Hey guys, so today, like Mike says, we're doing the kitchen. We've got, always generally start in the corner. So this one's a bit different because we've got a tall unit here. So I've set the first unit up, leveled it off, made sure my height on my is right for my plinth, because sometimes they come slightly different sizes. When I've started leveling these across, as I've gone, there is a bit of a drop on the floor, so it's not a massive amount, but it's probably about 10 mil. So what I've done is I've come back and lowered these legs now a little bit more, so that I haven't got too big a gap above the plinth. Then when we come to joining the units, I use the clamps, get them all nice and level with each other, check again on the levels, clamp those in and just screw those in with some 30mm screws. And I keep working down the line. Here we've got integrated dishwasher, so I've left 600, well just a mil or two over 600 for that integrated dishwasher. Then what I've done is leveled this unit up, and although it's away from the wall because of the taps, because of the water the tap feeds, I level it up so I know I can drill in each hole, get that a bit more accurate. So we're going to measure those out, drill those out, put that unit in and carry on with the run now.
Today's video is sponsored by Tradeify. For those of you who don't know what Tradeify is, it's a job management software. So you can use it on your iPad, iPhone, Android devices, your laptop, computer, whatever. Now, with Tradeify, for example, this job here, without that, it would have made life even more difficult than what it was when we found there was the floor caved away. With Tradeify, it made us be able to give them the estimate for the repair work instantly. So there was no hesitation with it. We could set it all up, done. The customer knew exactly what it's going to cost them extra. They signed it off, and happy days, we could carry on. Now, honestly, it is such a game changer for our business. It's been brilliant. So there's a 14-day free trial, which we'll put in the link below. And then after that, if you like it, if you use the promo code GHawk50, you'll get 50% off for the next 3 months. And yeah, so give it a try like we did the 14-day free trial and absolutely loved it, and then we've been using it ever since. So like I say, Tradeify, go and check them out. Right, so we're a little bit further on from now, so I thought I'll give you a bit of an update. I'll let you know what I've been doing, which is not a lot, as usual, isn't it, Steve?
That's right.
Nothing, absolutely nothing. So, what I have been doing, in fairness, is we've been changed all the valves over on these radiators, these pair, and then repiped all those in and bled all the system. I've drained it all down, bled it, all the rest of it. And then while Steve's been getting on with fitting of the kitchen. So where are you at the minute then, Stevie? Oh look, concentration face.
So this side's pretty much done now. We've sorted out, where were we last time? Just sorting out.
I think you were sorting out the pipe work for that on the last time.
That's all in, ready for my electrician stroke plumber.
Hey, it's me.
And then I've sorted out this corner post here, end panel on.
Why have you put that end panel on?
So things don't fall down the back.
There you go! It wasn't for me, it's for the boys and girls at home. I know why you've done it.
So we've put this integrated fridge freezer unit together, end panel either side, and then we've put the corner post there, so that's flush. Corner post always flush with the front of the doors.
Yeah, don't step them in because it looks weird.
And yeah, now just use some brackets just to fix these to the wall, because otherwise they're a little bit.
Yeah, they get like a bit of racking, don't they? It's basically, yeah.
And of course they just need to fix into the wall anyway. We will fix these back to the wall. Yeah. I don't tend to do that straight away, just in case I just need to just move things a couple of mil or
bit of a jiggle room. And then there's this unit here is going to be going up there, but then a bit more boxing in is going to be cut, isn't it, up there?
Yeah, a little play around with that. Get worked up on first, and then...
Right.
So I'll get these units down this side done.
Yeah, so down this run, Stevie's just, that's why he's marking all these bits out, so he's just laying all those out now. And then there's big range oven going in there.
Yeah.
Wine cooler on this run somewhere. Is it in this one?
Yeah,
that bit there. So in between, look, you got a mark there and there. The wine cooler going there. And then with that, it allows me to get all the supplies in as well for obviously all the electrics and plumbing and all that lot. But yeah, the weather's really weird today, isn't it, Steve?
Yeah, we've had snow, sun,
wind, massive wind now. Oh, and is that
snow again?
Snow again now. Look, I don't know whether you can see that. So I think whether you can see that very well. Yep, you can. So it's now snowing. I don't know what's going on. It's all a bit like day after tomorrow. A bit weird. So I'm trying to get this. Well, one of the reasons why I've jumped onto doing the heating straight away is because I'm a moaning cold person. I whinge. Yeah, I know. I whinge, so I'm jumped on with that, and I just now need them to crank the heat up. Yeah, I know we've got the doors open. I know. Global warming, all that. That's why we have weather like this. That is why people like me. So, right, we'll catch up with you once we've got this running, I think.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
So we've got all the units leveled up now, all the base units. Just to explain, this one here is only small because originally there was a wall across here, and there was going to be a steel in here, but we realised it wasn't holding anything up, so we've managed to take that out. We've got no little nib there. So what I've done is we're going to just fit this for now, so it allows me to get all the worktops done and everything, and this is actually going to be swapped then for a full depth unit at a later date when they get that to us. So yeah, so all these are in. Obviously the integrated appliances are left out for now, and then we can get set up to do the worktops. On this one, although it looks fairly straightforward and easy, just one long run, it's actually quite complicated because I'm going to have to, the worktop's not wide enough for this bit here, so I'm going to do a button scribe across here, join, and then this length will run down, sink here, and then these worktops are only 4.1 meters long, so they won't actually reach the end, so I've got to do another join here somewhere to get that length there. This side we're alright because it's all sort of broken up by the range. So that's nice and straightforward. So we'll get the complicated one done first, and then we'll get that side done. Okay, so we've got the first two pieces of worktop cut. So I'll just show you quickly what we've done with the joins here. First of all, we've got this one with a female join, and then we've got the bolts cut out for underneath, and also these cut out for these biscuit joints to go in, and they'll hold it nice and level then. So that's done on that side. That will slide in there, like so. And then same on this side, but with the male join, bolts cut, and also for the biscuits. That'll slide up there. So we make sure that fits nicely. That should be fine in there. That'll pull up okay. So the next thing we need to do before we join that is a cutout for the sink first. So we'll get that marked out, get that cut out, fit the sink, and then we can get that joined, and then also get this other end here sorted to be joined as well. That one's just a straight cut, again bolts out with the biscuit joints in there. If you want to see a bit more information about the actual doing the joins on the worktop, there's a couple of other videos where there's a little bit more in depth. Today it's been a little bit crazy with the weather, so I've not really had time to film that. So, but Mike will put a link up for you if you want to see any of those. Okay, I've lost both my cameramen now. Mike's buggered off early, and Jack's off somewhere else. So you got me doing both now. We've managed to get all the cuts done now for the worktop. I haven't joined any of them together yet, or put the sink in yet, but I've got that cut out, so I shouldn't need to get my rotor out tomorrow. What else can I say? Got all the edging on here. I better show you that. We've just glued it on, and then we can trim it all back tomorrow. Put it on using contact adhesive, both sides. Leave it to go a little bit tacky, and then stick it on. So yeah, first thing in the morning, we'll get on, get all these worktops fitted, and then we can start putting some of the trims and the finishing touches to it, and we should have it all done, fingers crossed, tomorrow. So I hope you've enjoyed watching, and don't forget to subscribe and all that stuff, and we will see you tomorrow.